Hello everyone, and welcome back to another stratus-io feature highlight video. My name is Ashton, and today we'll be talking about our latest feature, the equipment module. Last time we spoke about the power and flexibility of custom prompts. Today, I'll be walking you through how to use the custom prompts feature to create an equipment checkout system for your organization. Here's how it works. First, we want to add the list of assets, or the equipment, that members of the organization will be checking out. We can do this one at a time by creating a single entry for each asset, or we can upload a list of assets to the equipment database in your Cloud in Hand admin portal. Once we have added our equipment list, we can then create a custom prompt with the user input type equipment module selected. From here, create an event and assign your new custom prompt to it, and you're ready to go. When someone scans into the event associated with the new equipment module prompt, they will be asked to also scan or manually enter the item ID for the asset they are checking in or out. The data is instantly sent to the cloud where you can review check-ins and checkouts for each asset. Tracking your assets with an RFID or barcode asset tracking system is important for a number of reasons. For example, let's say I manage a lab of chemists using expensive equipment. With a large number of assets in the lab, I want to track who is using what asset. Say one day I notice one of the pieces of equipment is broken and another was never returned. I can then check the equipment reporting to see who had each item last in order to investigate and hold someone accountable. Another example would be that I have a construction company with a significant number of power tools. If my job site isn't miles long and I need to find a tool that's already been checked out, I can look at my equipment reporting and find out who I need to get it from. As an added bonus, if I'm using stratus-io to check people into different sites and locations, I know exactly where I need to go. Have a question about this feature? Think your organization could make use of asset and attendance tracking? Ask a question in the comments below or reach out to us, and one of our solutions experts will help you figure out how to fulfill your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on stratus-io. Thanks for watching.